Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new character to have conversations and chats with on Character AI in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me head over to my account on Character AI, and you will see in that plus create button in the top left corner. If you don't see it, expand the sidebar by using this handle here. Now click into it, choose character from that menu, and you will be redirected to this menu. So here you may click into this pencil button to upload a profile picture for the character name. You may give it a name here, like example name 1 or something like that. If you don't add any profile icon, the website here will assign the first letter of your character's name to, or to make it the profile picture. Now, you may add, for example, a short tagline of your character here. I have up to 50 characters to do that. And below you may describe your character, for example, how you want your chat or interlocutor or conversationalist to sound, for example. So you may describe it here. You have up to 500 characters for that. And here below, guys, you may create a customized greeting. So here you have this amount of characters left for that. So if you'd like to have your character here on that website to greet you with a specific saying or something like that. And you can add up to 5 custom greetings, as you can see. And you can change the order of them, for example, so assign a most relevant or most frequently used one, and so on and so forth. So below you may assign a voice. You may click into the drop-down menu and listen to the preview. Now, due to copyright reasons, I'm not going to do this, but there are several voices you can use. For example, if you'd like to listen to your interlocutors or characters' replies instead of reading them. And last but not least, you may assign tags. Here, for example, like, I don't know, anime, adventure, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. You can create the character or expand the more options feature. And here provide more detailed information about your character. If you'd like to personalize and customize it, for example, add the character's backstory, you will have up to 32,000 characters to do that here. So you can write a really long backstory here if you'd like to, for instance, provide the character with a background, with a real backstory. So, and then, guys, in the last step, you may, for instance, assign also, for instance, how the character ends dialogues or conversations with you, and set also the visibility here. Now, on default, it will be set to public, but you can also switch to unlisted, for instance, or private. And in the final step, guys, click into create character here, and you will need to provide, of course, a greeting here. So you can use the artificial intelligence here to let it do it for you, write for me. Wait for a brief moment, and here, of course, I will need to give another example, like I don't know, something like this. Okay, so as you can see, you need to find a character name that hasn't been taken yet, and that's it. So after that, the character will be created, and you will find it here in the list of your characters, the chats and conversations you have had with it, and also if you click into your public profile, you will find it. For example, let me show you. To select it, you will find it here under list of characters. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.